Great. Now you're on step 2 for Screencast-O-Matic. During this presentation, I'm going to walk you through the steps of recording through the new launched recorder that you just set up on your desktop and uploading through YouTube. Okay, so if you notice, this screen is actually pointing to YouTube because the very first thing you need to do before you ever record anything is to sign in to your YouTube channel. Okay, so you will have a different YouTube channel than I will have. Okay, so I'm going to sign in under my user account right now. So you need to kind of do the same on your account. Again, you will not use CTEL because this is my account. You'll actually use your own account at this stage. Okay, so even though you're seeing CTEL here, make no mistake, you need to log in under your YouTube account. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just log in under mine. Okay, and you can see that my little logo is up and I'm ready to begin. So after you log into your unique YouTube account, the next step is to go to your desktop. So you go to your desktop and of course bring up your Screencast-O-Matic record button. So you just go ahead and click on the icon and there you go. You'll begin to see this main page, which is to activate and record. So all you have to do is to start a recording, just simply click record. So I'm going to go ahead and click record. It'll launch the recorder, and what you'll notice is that this little digitized or perforated little scroll bar will come up, and you can drag this, as you can see, and you want to drag it and show how much. You can shrink it, of course. Let's say you only wanted to record a little portion of your screen, it'll just do that. If you want to do the entire screen, you can come all the way out here, right? So you want to set up the parameters of what you're actually recording. Okay? And of course you want to go to the actual presentation that you want to do. So I'm just going to bring up a fake presentation here. So you're just getting everything set up to record. Okay, so let's say this is the actual presentation that you're recording. You want to go ahead and set it up from the beginning. Okay, and there it is. And so to record, of course, you can do a couple things. You can either select screen or webcam. And so if you select the webcam, I'm not sure if you can see it on this recording or not. Sometimes I'm recording using Integrity, so sometimes Integrity will show and sometimes Integrity won't show the webcam. But basically you click both, or if you just want to do a straight webcam one, it'll do a straight webcam one for you as well. But for the purposes of this presentation, I'm just going to do screen alone. But just so you know, you have those options. Of course, you want to test your audio, right? Make sure green bars flash when you talk. If this is not moving like you're seeing here, something's wrong. Okay? This I would recommend to keep off so that internal sounds of your computer will not be heard. Alright, so once you're done, go ahead and exit out of that and just simply click record. The great thing about Screencast, which I do like, it'll give you a countdown. Boom. And we are actually recording live, and you can see that it's recording everything that we're saying. Okay? So you can just go ahead and do your regular presentation as you're going through your presentation, and you're recording through it, right? You're going through it, you're going through it, you're going through it, and you are done. So once you are done, just go ahead and click the pause button, okay? And you can then click done. Now the next step is one of the most important steps. Once you click done, this little pop-up will come up, and you need to, you see where it's right here, you see these little 3 lines, and there's a plus sign here. Go ahead and click plus, because you do not, and when you hit plus, all of the uploading features will pop up. And remember, for the purposes of LawsonState, you are to upload on YouTube. That is how we handle, or how we manage our videos. So we are asking that you please upload on YouTube, nowhere else, okay? Because we don't want to begin to store different videos. You can also upload to Screencast-O-Matic, which will create a link, And you can do that if you want to just have links and you want to provide your students with links to your video, but make sure it's not loading on our system, it's loading on your computer. Okay? But for the purposes of this video, we want to focus on upload to YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and click upload to YouTube. And it's preparing to talk to YouTube for the first time. Add to YouTube account. To upload to a YouTube account, we need to launch a web browser so you can log into the correct one. So just go ahead and click launch web browser. And since I've already logged into my YouTube account, it should connect seamlessly. Let's take a look and see if it does. It's processing. I don't know if you can see the little message down here. It's processing the accounts. Okay, and so now it's asking if it would like to view the YouTube account and manage, and you want to say allow. So when this message comes up, it's because remember the key was I had already opened up my YouTube account. So I'm going to go ahead and click allow, and it's going to sync. As you can see here, it's syncing those two things. Got successful authorization for the account. CTEL-LawsonState. Yours will say something differently because it's a different account. Once I'm done, I'm done. Okay, great. And as you can see, now the YouTube publication options are up. And so I can actually change the title as I did test me. Okay, you change your title. And after that, you can make it public or private. So a lot of people know, oh, that's how I do it. That's how I can make my videos private on YouTube. Yes, you can make it private on YouTube. That simply means that the only individuals that can see it are those individuals you provide a link to or you upload it in your course. Or if it doesn't matter to you, you can make it public. Okay? And then just hit publish. And you'll see that's how easy it's going to be. It's going to simply move this video to YouTube. So we're just going to watch it load. It's really that simple. It's moving pretty fast. Go ahead and click OK, and that's going to take you back to this screen. And really, once it's on YouTube, you can actually delete this video out by simply hitting delete. You can easily delete, and it's gone. Okay. We do ask you to do that last step of deleting, especially if it's already been loaded on YouTube. There's one thing that I would change about that. Always check it out on YouTube first. I just didn't have the time to do that because we're trying to get through this presentation very quickly. But I would encourage you to go to YouTube first. I'm going to go to my channel, and it's out there. Test one is out there, or at least the first one that I did. The second one will load in a few minutes. But always check to make sure it's out there. Go ahead and play the video. You can also edit the video. But once you know it's out here and it's safe, you can go ahead and take it off of our system, which is what you saw not too long ago. So you can go ahead and take it off of our system. Trying to get back out there. So never get nervous about deleting anything, but remember, don't delete unless in fact you're sure. Now let's say that you went ahead and deleted something. You can always go back to deleted and go to undelete, which I think is a great feature, and then it just comes back. Isn't that a great feature? So again, you can delete by right clicking. All I did was right click, delete. Yes, delete it. And if you decide, oh goodness, somehow I need it back, come back up here and undelete. Okay? Because remember, we're going to be managing our recordings, and we'll give you up to really 24 hours to get things off of our system. But after that, we'll begin to start deleting items, right, from our storage room, because everything really should be on YouTube. So I just wanted to kind of throw caution at the wind. I don't want anyone angry with us for deleting videos, because that is not, you're not supposed to store them on our recorder or on our system. You're supposed to record them and upload them on YouTube. So don't forget that very, very important step. Again, we will always give faculty up to 24 hours to get things off of our system. Over the weekends, we'll give you even more time. We'll give you about 48 hours. But pretty much every other day, we're going to come out and start deleting things because we just don't want, tons and tons and tons of videos out here. Okay? So I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact CTEL@LawsonState.edu via email. CTEL, CTEL @LawsonState.edu. Have fun recording.